So you might have heard about a theory called as Lemuria, or there was a Lemuria continent and it is submerged right now, and there were people living there 50,000 years ago, and things like that. Was it true? Have you ever thought about all these WhatsApp forwards? Were they even true, or is there any source for all these things? And that is what we are going to see in this video. And this is a series of videos we have been making history, or let us make history fun. In these series of videos we have put some earlier videos also, so you can look at the playlist and you can see the other videos also. So now in this video we'll look at whether this Lemuria, or the theory of Lemuria continent, is it true, or shall we believe all these WhatsApp forwards? That is what we are going to see in this video. So let us go into the video. So I'm going to use a person called as Paige Madison's blog, or she has written a blog. She is an anthropologist, so she has talked about this Lemuria, and I'm going to use some information from that blog. And if you think about it, human beings have evolved from what was called as monkeys, apes, and now we are walking with a very fancy suit, tie, or pant, shirt, and things like that. If you think about it, this civilization happened over a very long period of time. But you might think that who were our ancestors, or you might have this doubt about where our ancestor originated. This doubt today is a very predominant doubt, and this was also a doubt which was very important in Europe also. People like Darwin and other anthropologists in Europe were very much into this topic of where did this evolution happen first. This evolution, people understood that it had happened, but where was the exact location in which this evolution of human beings happened? This was a very important question. And if you think about it, there was a person called as Ernest Heckle, 19th century Ernest Heckle. He thought that this evolution might not have happened in Africa. People usually had this idea that Africa is the place where this monkeys had evolved, and hence there would have been an evolution chronologically from that monkey towards the human. And especially Darwin in 1871, he wrote a book called as Descent of Man. He especially thought that chimpanzees and gorillas, so they are in Africa, and hence we must have a close, or we are having a very close resemblance to these chimpanzees and gorilla, which is exactly true as well. But he proposed the idea that being the fact that we are very close to chimpanzees and gorilla, it must have had their, or humans must have had their origin in Africa. But people like Ernest Haeckel, especially Ernest Haeckel, he was against this theory, saying that it was not in Africa that humans evolved. It was in Asia, or the jungles in Asia is where this evolution might have happened. And you might ask, is there a reason for all these? Means there might be some racist reason for also for this. In terms of people thought that in terms of the African continent, people thought it might not have been the place where human beings originated, or the brainy, or Homo sapiens, the person with brain might not have originated in Africa. This was a very racist view, but that is why they suggested this, or Ernest Haeckel suggested this view, saying that we might have originated, or humans might have originated in Asia. But there is a technical problem to that. If humans had originated in Asia, and if we have close resemblance to chimpanzees and gorilla in Africa, how this huge gap was bridged is what was the question at that time. And for that, Ernest Haeckel gave this explanation, saying that there was a huge continent called as Lemuria. And people asked this, what did this Lemuria do? He said that people, or the evolution happened, or from monkeys in Africa, the evolution turned towards humans in Asia. So they traveled through these land path, and that land path led to Asia, is what he said. But then people asked, where is that continent right now? He gave this very easy explanation, saying that that continent is now submerged, and that is what is the view right now also. The Lemuria continent is under the Indian Ocean, is what is the view. But if you think about it, then they asked, what is the name of the continent? Name of the continent, he had this view that he had to give a different name, and hence he chose the name Lemuria from the word called as lemur. It is derived from the word called as lemur. Lemur is nothing but the primate which you will find in Madagascar. Madagascar is an island very close to Africa, and you will find that primate in Madagascar. Primates are nothing but they are an earlier they belong to the human line of in the human line of evolution. If you think about it, they are in the earlier line of tree, or from that only new world monkeys came, then old world monkeys, then apes came, then the species which we are seeing right now came about. And that is what he said. So this interesting theory that he made, and he proposed, saying that he gave a name, and all this came about. And hence, if you think about it, people started searching for evidences. So this is a theory, you have to prove the theory, hence you will start searching. And that is why in anthropology you will find that Eugene Du Bois, there was a person called as Eugene Du Bois. In 1887, he goes to Java, he goes to Indonesia, he starts excavating, and he finds people, or he finds Homo erectus. Homo erectus is a species which was, as I told you in the evolutionary line, we have crossed many stages. One of the stage was Homo erectus, and then he concluded saying that, see, look at this, that is what we will study as Java man in anthropology. And he looked at all these things, and he said that there is a huge chance of, yes, Asia being a place of origin of humans, and hence Lemuria continent might have existed. But more excavation started, and in this more excavation, people started going to Asia. So in China they excavated, and hence you will find Peking man in China. This was an excavation done at that time, and people excavated Mongolia. The one important thing that happened while this excavation is that while exploring Mongolia, people found very large animals which were called as dinosaurs. And the one important event which happened because of this excavation, you can say that dinosaurs were found out. But truth will always come out. And there is a saying in Tamil also, உண்மை ரொம்ப நாள் ஒளிச்சு வைக்க முடியாது. And similarly, you cannot keep the truth outside for a very long time. The meaning is that. And there was a person called as Raymond Dot. He excavated in Africa a tongue child, Australopithecus africanus. What is this species, you might ask? This is a species prior to Homo erectus. So the Homo erectus which we found in, or Du Bois found in Java man, prior to that there was a species which had this or from which humans might have evolved, which is Australopithecus africanus. And when that was published in 1930s, it created a huge controversy, saying that so that again comes back to what Darwin said, the evolution might have happened in Africa. And this theory, or this evidence, actually disproves what is called as this transfer of, or migration of population through this Lemuria continent, and then people going to this Africa, and hence evolution of humans in Africa. And but if you think about it, still controversies are there, still people believe that there is a Lemuria continent buried under it, and people, and especially in South India, people believe that, or some people believe that there is the people of South India originated from that Lemuria continent, and the language of the South Indian languages might have evolved there. But if you think about it, the truth is something different. This is a theory Ernest Heckle gave for giving an explanation of where the origin might have happened. But there is no evidence as the evidence which are present in Africa to prove that we evolved in some other continent. And but if you think about it, like the Lemuria continent which is buried under the Indian Ocean, the truth is also buried under the Indian Ocean, or is also buried under so many lies of WhatsApp and so many things which happen in our life. And as a civil services aspirant, it is our duty to dig those truth and look at the facts objectively. Anything that we look at, we should look at them as objectively as possible and understand the scenarios without having feelings attached to it. And I hope this video made it clear whether Lemuria was present or not. I leave that to you to make an assessment. But if you like this video, please do like it, share it, and subscribe to Minds of Aspirant channel. And there is in the link or in the description, there is a link for Telegram channels as well. You can click that and you can join these Telegram channels of Anthropology and UPSC, and you can send in your doubts, and I would be very happy to give your give the feedbacks for your doubts. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good night.